Welcome, Your Holiness, to your home in Chicago. It is a great honor for us to host you and your entourage today. We'd also like to welcome Khenpo Karthar Rinpoche, lamas, and the monastics with us as well. We are honored to have Karmatini La and Chamsen La and other distinguished guests who have come so far to be with us today. I'd also like to welcome Chicago KTC members of the past, the present, and the future, and to all of our friends. Today is the culmination of over 3 decades of prayers and aspirations to bring His Holiness Karmapa back to Chicago, the place of the Parinirvana of the 16th Karmapa, Rongjung Rigpe Dorje. Thank you for your kindness and your generosity with your time to come bless us and our center. Chicago KTC was founded in 1978, one of the first KTC centers in the United States, through the blessings of the 16th Jawang Karmapa and through the hard work and determination of Khenpo Karthar Rinpoche to fulfill his guru's wish to create Dharma centers in the United States. He has tirelessly traveled to the centers like ours for over 35 years and has compassionately taught the genuine Dharma, being a perfect example of pure discipline and pure devotion to Your Holiness. Our center began on the north side of Chicago and for 25 years was located in apartments of founding members. Until in 2003, through the support of generous members, we were able to acquire this building here in Cicero under the guidance of Bardo Rinpoche and Khenpo Karthar Rinpoche. This building was once a Bohemian's Oddfellow temple and was a hall used for gambling, dancing, and drinking in the Prohibition days. Rumor has it that even the notorious Chicago gangster Al Capone had connection with this establishment. It is in the spirit of recycling and reusing that we have repurposed this building for the spread of the Holy Dharma and specifically for the practice of the Karma Kagyu lineage. Many students and people from the community have come to this temple to learn about Lord Buddha's teachings. We have hosted many distinguished lamas from our lineage, such as Charlik Rinpoche, Mingyur Rinpoche, and many other realized masters. But today is the most blessed day in our long history. For 35 years, we have sustained ourselves on the practice of shamatha and the profound meditation of Chenrezig, which has been the treasure of our Sangha. It is our sincere wish that Your Holiness can say some words to deepen our Dharma practice and increasing our loving kindness for our mother sentient beings. We would be so humbled to receive the transmission of the Mani Mantra and teaching on Chenrezig, the essence of bodhicitta. We will treasure this moment for as long as we live, and we want to express our sincere gratitude for your visit to us today. Thank you.
시카고 게리시리아 영화기 고급 중부대 가우스타 중스 드린주산에 드리데 시카고 더 게리시 멤버의 다나 신기 약간 대여 상원로야 정말 쯤디샤이
I'm very happy to be able to come here today and have this opportunity to be here at the Chicago KTC. And I would like to extend my warm welcome and greeting to all of the Chicago KTC members, as well as all of you who are here today.
들이 네, 그러다. 근데 고급디 수원시에는 캠프를 묻지 도시민달로 숨주린리아 아주다 디게 최소 된달이야 공예 겸다 다나 신기 아주 최소 처미 선이 남기장 아니 무투이네 아니 최소 니체도 셴슈 주버더 되게 상월로야 투지 다리 고급디 수원시에 투체다 그렇지 슈아인
I'd especially like to take the opportunity today to express my gratitude to Khenpo Karthar Rinpoche, who for the past 30 years has been undertaking tremendous effort on behalf not only of the many other centers, but of this Dharma Center as well. And I'd like to take this opportunity that presents itself today to express my gratitude to all of the senior as well as newer directors and members of this center for all of their efforts to sustain that activity.
다 드네 가수래 드네 다 시카고 미세다 가수래 요아디 고바 김zen르지 아메리카 사자 신다다 먼저 다 고바 김zen르지 통고요하르 때 가르사나 경 사미 켄시브레 경원 군지 주주바디 다 공부 조서디 안디 루모디 차디 요하레 드린 주스타네 드린데 요아디 안드리지 가르스베다 경원 주주베기 냥에네 데베다 자바르 제수 태야로 디지 체도 요아들 안게 고바 김제 미세 통고요
Lasso? As many of you know, there is a special reason for my coming to this area of the United States today. It is an area that is unique to other areas of this country. And this is, of course, for the reason that it is the place where His Holiness the 16th Gyalwang Karmapa, Rangjung Rigpe Dorje, displayed the enlightened deed of passing into parinirvana. And so it is for the purpose mainly then of recollecting this enlightened deed that I have come to this area of the country.
다들이 다들 샴리야 당기 공도 가르 그만나보 난신기 제레스기 줍도 다 도두지만 롱을 치기
Lasso? In accordance with the request that was expressed earlier, I will now recite the scriptural transmission for a brief sadhana of Avalokiteshvara Chenrezig.
도서가 교수님이 지도배가다 실례받으셔서 가서 상안으로 좀 도지진기스 차리다 보디자 원이 전에배가는 다다른 일을 다 봐도서 밤에 우리 지심이도 지를 전에도 연대와 경례군도 영어로 경계하고 군도 도서기 보라지 도지진게로 제레스라서 경계하고 군도 도서기 보라지 도지진게로 제레스라서 경계하고 군도 도서기 보라지 도지진게로 제레스라 전도도 수도바고로 마다는 신대와 되는 위로는 제정을 나다를 동의에 교로 That the concept the Genesis to the Mabuye Nane, the Pele, the Yons Travasan and Dudu Kandara Trujin Tandon gave it the Jess Chesapeake to the day.
There are many sadhanas of the noble Avalokiteshvara, but from among these we could say that the most widely known in terms of Tibetan Buddhism is the one that was composed by the Mahasiddha, Tangtong Gyalpo. And this is the sadhana for which I have offered the scriptural transmission. I was also requested to say a few words of teaching in connection with the meaning of the sadhana, And so I will do so in a very brief fashion. I don't have a lot of extensive remarks to make.
Teleyanda che sik saadi ta pyoge de gyaga kashwada. Da kanda che sik saadi ta pyoge tolyaji di che sik chenyo de da karasana ta misegi yang de korang rang che sik nyamle de kanji yimba de chöntu de samtengyo.
Lasso? I think that the name Chenrezig itself in Tibetan says a lot about the meaning of the entire practice.
Chere six lad the chen sadi migi shesare then six sadi da migi dawe twenty chezang chambegi chambegi jengi chamba de zewe jengi the ninzi judo do roanam la sipasar niji kuya.
Lasso? Chen is the honorific word for eye, and sik means to look. So it's the action of the eye, to look or to see. And so this means that Chenrezig looks continually throughout the 6 phases of time with love and fondness and affection upon all sentient beings.
chezang azu che si nyamle chenge chu azu mi di da khandar chibe dangche ngui ni zu thalya su su gu dongye chibo mai ba simje da tamche ge da gangye da dongye khandi che ye ba telya ba nga zu mi dangche an di zu che do ga shu la da zewe ge samba 통해 삼바 깨고 왜 임bre.
Lasso? Therefore, when we set out to practice Chenrezig, what that means for us is that we need to open our eyes to what is really going on, not only with our own individual sufferings and difficulties, but with regard to the sufferings and difficulties of all sentient beings. We open our eyes to that and we bear witness to that suffering with a mind of love.
Odrin du sanda bana cheresi cha shibadang dara cheresi cha dong chedebde da cheresi namjang mo wyong de yare khashegi physical jibu thwane samde du sanda de ji nyora chawru ji complicated sananta do yana ji khen chawru ji de thong yare.
And there can be many, and have been many, physical manifestations or manifestations in terms of appearance of Avalokiteshvara. For example, Avalokiteshvara is sometimes taught in the 4-armed form or the 1,000-armed form, and so on. So sometimes when we look at all of these different manifestations, it could seem complicated or even strange.
다이네 디 튼다데 삼동과 디 냠네 체베 걸이야 지 라이 셰다 라이 차다 디 주기 visualize समरबे मिकबते बजम मासे बिता 튼다 삼동과 디 냠네 넹가 조 차디 रे समथंगे.
Lasso? However, it's important for us to consider the meaning behind all of these visual appearances. So the practice of Chenrezig not only entails, doesn't only entail visualizing the faces, arms, and so forth of the deity, but it entails reflecting upon what these appearances are supposed to mean.
제시 차동 제노 디고 나란지 게르 초나르 추소
Lasso?
가르 추소사나다 녜 bana ngara zalya yongye da mi mangnyuwa ji are mi mangbu ji nge sa yong che ane ko ji ge ji ka shwe 수수에 다 자와당 다 미수수 강에당 다 린두 망부지 알아야 된거 알아 다 미사메 이제 자와 때봐 탐지 주토야 돼 갈아가버려 샤디 알아 다 알아 미직마다 매자 미가 미직이 미사메 이제 자와 주토야 돼 갈아가버려 레미 임비 준센데네 eng에 걸리걸리 제레시 차동과디 오늘 가수에 다디 캔사버들 많이 봐 다디 should be somewhere 다 먹고 가면 되지
Lasso.
다들 내려지 통송 간다라 다당 안주 심지 리진 듄도 다 장다 자베 주버지 되네 디 되체 투야고 누가 안아줄 요마디 임비냥 아주기다 멸람 세난다도 아주자와디 심지 리진 듄도 다 런이 그 주버지 되네 다 탐지기 다 자와당 지삼베 되는 가려비네 디 만족이 봐도 개발이 개발 심전대다 심전디기다 팬도 로람 차로 들리지기다 멸람으로 지역과의 개심을 차디하래 제상 제스 작동 전통직 차망고 예대버지 안다나 신기 다나 신기 제망고 예대버 디기 천세장 버지 들리지기다 가느라 공기 저외 된 variety of 가서다지 나바나 소변 저외 된 시기에 버지당 큰선 심지 지동에 점에 심지 가서 수수수수 가서 개 수수수수 동에나 큰선 쳐버지게 버지 정말로 삼들이 정기
In particular, with regard to the thousand-armed form of Avalokiteshvara, I personally had an experience of maybe seeing some of the reasons why we visualize such a deity or why we rely on the form of such a manifestation. In my day-to-day and week-to-week life, there are many people who come to see me, and each of these individuals has his or her own hopes, aspirations, difficulties, and sufferings. And so I'm only one person. And because that is the case, it's very difficult for me to be able to accomplish all of the hopes of all of the individuals who come to see me. So reflecting on this situation, it occurred to me that not only is the thousand-armed form of Avalokiteshvara not a strange thing, but it's actually a necessary thing. It seems that it would be necessary for a great bodhisattva to have such a high number of arms in order to accomplish the great variety and great number of different aspirations of sentient beings, and to alleviate all of the great numbers of different sufferings that sentient beings experience. We don't have the ability at present to emanate replicas of ourselves to go out and perform the benefit of others, but we can make the aspiration that one day we will achieve that ability. Not just to replicate ourselves as an emanation, but to really go out and to be able to accomplish all of the different and great variety of hopes of sentient beings, and to be able to alleviate all of the various different kinds of sufferings that all of the individual sentient beings have. Making that aspiration is very important. It's very important for us to hold that aspiration in our heart until we accomplish the welfare of all sentient beings, to basically hold the aspiration in our heart that we'll be of benefit to each and every one, and that we will find ways to benefit each and every sentient being. And in a similar way, the thousand eyes also is representative of the reality that there are many different situations of sentient beings for us to be aware of, for us to look upon and bear witness to and give rise to concern about.
드린 주사는 자동 제노사디 더지 physical 다 된지 제레시 자동 세딩이 전동 세딩이 되지 제레시 여러베스는 다디 제주 제과스 개민도 섬정도 되지 외다메 다 조디 천세디 라바도 제레시 자동 세동 조지 미나 상아 냠내를 쳐요 아래 제자 천재 사야디 상하나로 천재 사야디 개초 쉽체디 알아다디 가르쳐 거 알아. 다지 차망 위에버디 more action somewhere 간다지 든지지 예데버디 제망부 예데버디 마시 제 6 사야디 맞으되 거랑 가서지 more involvement somewhere 다지 동해 가르쳐 예버디는 거스베 직del이 유엔에 맞대 아주 망부지 또 동해 망부지 통인 되고 아마도 이제 메인 비치제
Lasso?
애니 믹 체과를 비슷해 비치 다 전투고요. 단도나 천재 된기 다 제스 스마로 텔레야 삼동과디 개체버르제.
Therefore, if we were to ask the question, does this thousand-armed, thousand-eyed form of Avalokiteshvara really exist, then I think that the answer is it's not important. Investigating that question is not the most important thing. The most important thing to reflect on is the meaning behind these symbolic appearances. What do these symbolic appearances of the deity represent? So the symbolism is a very important principle in the secret mantra Vajrayana. And so the multiplicity of arms and hands symbolizes the need for us to be more active in alleviating the sufferings of sentient beings. And the symbolism of the high number of eyes represents the need for us to not try to avoid the suffering of sentient beings. Sometimes we lapse into an attitude of not wanting to bear witness to the sufferings of others. So to counter that, we reflect on the meaning of the thousand eyes, which is that we need to open our eyes to the sufferings of sentient beings and bear witness to that. So then, rather than the physical forms themselves, I think the most important point with regard to Avalokiteshvara is contemplating the principles that these appearances symbolize.
다나 시제시 최시바데 되나시레 차시바디 세메시 챤아르 근데 송도 근데 단도나 아주 다다 피지컬 서브라라바 니야레 다드네 인주사 제레스 고네 라바 퇴바 니게 용거스가 말에
Lasso?
다데게 아디스가라 가브레 샤슈 동과 미세 유기 말했음 정도 다이나 조조데 가라서나 말한소리야 지금 spiritual somewhere 지 낭sem기 나로리아 간다르지 다다 가셔다지 칠류디 세시 예버지 가셔 limit somewhere 든지 되비지래 이랑 아주 시스템리아 가서 체 매버지 인주산 디균전 때네 아주 심게 난게다 수수 individual 양 신다지 사버지 든지주에 서제 안 될이야 딱 간다 지 가서 체메시 뉴바다 댐베지라 차 시유에 대바다 다네 차 동유에 대버버 든지기 딱 간다 난 심기 정이 디베 뉴바심부에 대비 든지 수준시화디 되게 좀
Lasso? Similarly, there is the popular form of Avalokiteshvara, which is the four-armed Avalokiteshvara. The four arms of this Avalokiteshvara represent the four limitless ones, or the four immeasurable qualities. And when we visualize such a deity, we don't have to be worried that we ourselves will grow 2 extra arms. I think that would be very difficult to have that happen. But rather, we contemplate this from a spiritual perspective, or from a point of view of how does it impact our mind on the inside. So our body on the outside is a limited phenomenon, but there is no limit to our mind on the inside. So we use the form of the four-armed deity to rise up in our minds within the qualities of the four immeasurable, the four limitless ones, or the four immeasurables. And in the same way, we bolster our mind, or the power and capabilities of our mind, through visualizing the thousand-armed, thousand-eyed deity, and so forth.
단도나 제세기 데 상계 탐지에게 가수의 니지 릉수 산다도 상계 탐지기 니지디 플라이 넘버 샤르데바 플라이 소스 된데바 아미 저주스비 소스 나한데바 딘디지 차데 요래 제자 제레스 냠레 세나야 참바데 니지 냠레 차데 요래 드네 인두스탄다 제레스 냠레 야부차 마자사디 참바데 니지 냠레데 야게 치마지 그러다 냉가로 대도데 요래 드네 비준선 때는 참에 참니지 냠레데 근데 수수기다 가지고 니마지지기 초에 나로라 지 라레 예버지다 냠레 예버를 지지 용과다 개침으로 주셔서 도수자이
Lessa. Avalokiteshvara is the embodiment of all of the loving kindness and compassion of all of the Buddhas, arisen in the form of a deity or arisen in the form of a bodhisattva. And so therefore the practice of Avalokiteshvara is the practice of loving kindness and compassion. And therefore if we want to know whether our practice of Chenrezig is improving or not, then we can simply ask the question, is our loving kindness and compassion improving? And there we will have our answer. So the essential practice of Chenrezig then falls to us on a day-to-day basis. And the immediate concern of bringing loving kindness and compassion in a practical way into our experience, our feelings, and our day-to-day interactions.
다 담아들이야 들이 시카고를 연도부터 갑시다시 미생아주디 게리시 연도부터 시작 갑주스 가레스나 치게리 영화 디데 말을 처음 있는 레라브르 스케쳐가 말에 안드린 주산 들이 로 망부치 제리야다 디질레토 좋은데 갑시다시 안 망발이나 아주드디 까마바 정화 고고메기다 제dengi 최대 rinpoche 신디야래 제상 대주 신 주베 거리는 지정아 용토를 섬트기요 애들이 데라서베다 고급 망부치 망부 용토야 고급 양양 용토야다를 와르 슈예 애들이 주산의 경주 성로들이 안데 용알이야다 가서 처리를 제 이게 상으로지 가서 시작지 닝타고네 엔드리지기 다 수마 서머르다 sab게 나오들이야 도체샤인 그런지
It has been a great joy for me to visit Karmatriyana Dhamma Chakra as well as KTC. And the reason for this in particular is because it is not easy, as you know, for me to visit foreign countries, and it has been many years have passed since my last visit. Now a project is underway for the construction of a commemorative stupa for the 16th Gyalon Karmapa Rangjung Rigpe Dorje, and I hope to be able to return for the occasion of the completion of that stupa, the completion of that stupa's construction. And in the same way, I hope to return here many times. So in conclusion, I would just like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for all of the plans that you have made, plans and preparations that you have made for me to come here and for welcoming me so warmly. Thank you very much.
소놈데 담제 세바네 돈네 예베 자놈 예가 마지 바다 시베 조른 조 잠베 바베 지드라이 군도 삼베 대한 대신데 대다 군예 교원데 다담제라 동어 상계 구숨 예베 진라당 주니 메교데 진라당 게르 메체데 진라기 진당 가와 물람 주바 쇼